Welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. Today we're going to disassemble this exhaust manifold and intake. The exhaust manifold has a huge leak by the butterfly down in there, and the head also probably needs a head gasket. So we're going to start tearing this thing down and see what we find. I'm waiting on parts. I'm waiting on some push rods to come. So might as well just tear the whole top end off and replace the gaskets that we can while we're waiting for the parts to come in. I have all the gaskets. There is some damage to the exhaust manifold, and let's get going because we've got stuff to do, folks. What do you do on a nice spring day? Okay, so I'm going to put you on time lapse and I'll be looking like I'm moving real fast. I wish I could really work that fast. Okay, so here we go.